Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy wrap using my chickpea mock tuna salad. Now you could use anything that you want to wrap these in. You could use burrito shells, you could put it in a taco shell if you wanted to. You could use some large kale leaves or some large lettuce leaves, romaine leaves. These are some collard green leaves, collards that I actually grew in my hydroponic system. They're not the biggest collard green leaves, but they will work. And I just have 2 of them here for stability. And then I have my chickpea salad that I've made, and I'm just going to scoop some in the wrap here, or on top of the leaves. It doesn't have to be a whole lot. Not a whole lot is going to fit in this, so you just want to make it manageable. And then I have some cooked rice that I'm going to throw in here as well. And together this makes for a very filling wrap, actually. So I'm going to put as much rice as I possibly can in there. And I'm just going to fold over the bottom and just roll this the best way I can. And then there it is. Whoops, the bottom's coming out. There it is. That's all there is to it. And then you just pick it up and just enjoy it from the stem side. You see, I did cut the stems off of these leaves. But that's all there is to it. It's not hard to do this. And you just enjoy it, and you get your vegetables, and you get your grain, and you get your chickpea salad in there all in one, and it's one easy, fast meal and really good. Give this a try sometime. It's really simple. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.